Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install iOS 18 beta version on your iPhone. So if you'd like to experiment with iOS 18, the advanced releases of iOS 18, then let me show you how you can do this by installing it on your iPhone. So it's very easy. You can go into Settings, go into General, and then going into Software Update. Now once you're here, you'll see Beta Updates. So go ahead and tap on it, and you need to enable iOS Public Beta. Now once you do this, you'll receive beta updates on this iPhone to test drive pre-release versions of iOS and provide feedback to help Apple software much better. Now for those of you who cannot see beta updates, you can roll to the beta update program by going into Safari. Just type in Apple Beta Enrollment. And this is where you want to go to, Apple Beta Software Program. Scroll down, and here you can use your Apple ID and sign up to it. Once you sign up, you'll then be able to get this new app button, which is Beta Updates. And there you go, that is how to install iOS 18 Beta on your iPhone or your iPad. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.